And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you an easy way to create split screens. So we have two clips right here. Simple snowy day and a woman, I believe, snowboarding. Let me drag both in the timeline. And now I use the split tool here to make the second one as long as the first one. I simply press delete now after I've used the split here. We make the second one invisible and we'll see the snowy day. Just as a reminder, I use the default layout. I use that as a default in all of my tutorials. We'll go to mask and there's a simple split option right here. Left click on it and it's applied to the clip that you've activated or that's highlighted in the timeline. Use the rotate function right here. I'll do it numerically right there. It's -90 for the left. This one's for the feather. We don't need it. Keep it to 0. Then make the second one visible again and apply a split as well. And this time we'll rotate it to the other side, so it's 90, not -90. We don't need a feather here either. And that's in principle all there is. If I roll it now, both clips are running. But here we have a little bit of a problem. The snowboarder is out of the frame due to the mask. So in some cases you may want to reposition your clip a little bit. And the way to do it is to go to the position where you can't see the snowboarder anymore. We'll jump to basics and then we'll have to adjust the position to the right, which means we are in the X dimension. And let me make it 500. But now the mask has moved as well. To adjust that, we'll have to adjust the position for the mask right here. And we'll have to use minus the same value, in our case -500. So the footage is +500 to the right and the mask then -500 to the left to end up in the center position again. And now if I roll the clip, our snowboarder is in frame all the time, not perfectly, granted, but it's way better than the composition that we had before. And this is an easy way to create split screen effects in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.